My name is Chidambar. So I'm from Humverm Private Ltd. and also have an NGO called Page Trust India. So this whole project is from Page Trust India. We mainly produce vermicompost and VermiChar. We receive around 15 to 20 tons of waste per day. First the truck comes and puts all the waste here. Every month we get around 1.5 to 2 tons of plastics. So these we collect it during the pre-processing stage. We sell these things to the recycler. Then after that we leave the vegetables for the cows to eat. We are around 8 to 10 cows here. After 15 to 20 days, this waste is ready for the earthworms. Every day we harvest those vermicast. We sieve it with this trommel. Then after that, a few people ask for this VermiChar. We prepare the biochar from different waste products. So this coconut has got like huge absorption capacity, water retention capacity. 3 days.
2 days.
3 days.
And they added the moisture 3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days ago.
Amazing. We cooked of it.
So we have chosen that for the agricultural biochar. We add the bacteria culture into it. We blend those things based on the customer's requirement and also the customer's capacity, because the cost is like quite high. And then we pack it in the bags and we deliver to our customers. The soil organic carbon in India has dropped down to 0.2 to 0.3%. There are like quite few people who wants to scale up those soil organic carbon in their farmland. They are coming forward to buy this biochar. So this is the tomato plantations. The way you see towards this direction is with the biochar, and this direction without biochar. This biochar, it not only provides moisture to the roots, and also it provides the nutrients and the microbes to the soil. Since 16 years you are struggling to bring the soil back into life. After we started adding the vermichar into the soils, he's unable to believe 10 of the onions have sprouted. So you're very happy now?
Very happy.
So slowly we are also spreading the knowledge of biochar to our friends and in our network. Since 5 years, the yield has almost like increased by 30%. And slowly they are passing this to their networks. This patch of land, since 5 years, we are not adding any chemicals into it. We are going to plow the land, then till the land, put vermichar onto it. Now like there's a huge demand for this biochar. We are continuously operating these biochar kilns, and we have never stopped that.